Hey guys, what's up? This is Ebain here. Welcome back to another vlog. So basically this video is also gonna be on my scooter OLA S1 Pro. Actually this front tire is not at all holding air. I don't know what's the problem. I guess many of customers are facing the same issue. Like yesterday night this tire got completely flat. I know it's a bit of harassment going on, but ठीक है यार, मैकेनिकल चीज़ है, ख़राब हो ही सकता है. So currently I am visiting the OLA service center that's near me. It's in Keshtupur, Kolkata. I'm also not being able to post any review videos for this issue. Yeah, so let's visit the service center and let's see what they does with my front tire. So here we are guys at the service center. So they will change the rim of my front tire. So I have to leave my EV for around 2-3 hours and I will collect it from there. এখান থেকেই বেরোচ্ছে, বুঝতে পারলে? টায়ারের প্রবলেম না, না অনেক জায়গায় আছে মনে হচ্ছে দাঁড়ায়, এই দুটো জায়গা. दो जगह में. So my issue hasn't been resolved yet. After changing the rim, the tire is still leaking air. So they will keep my scooter for today and they will update me tomorrow. What they will do, they would either change the whole tire or they will install the previous rim and give a new tire, the rubber. So let's see what happens. I will update you on the next vlog. So bye guys and stay subscribed.